This is why I like Nestle Quick. I start with 1.5 inch 4D finish nails, common nails, coated nails, galvanized nails, roofing nails, cut nails, duplex nails in multiple sizes. So that's my nails. Now in screws, goes from 5/8 of an inch to 2 1/4 in this box. Then in this box I've got 2.5 to 4 inch screws. So now if we go into my other nail storage screw area, I've got these screws, but these are, yeah, some of these you can see it's full. They're very heavy, so I don't want to carry that many screws with me. Plus I have a few more here and a few more there. So I need probably another 20 containers of Nestle Quick. So I'm counting on you guys to send your Nestle Quick containers to me. Oh, by the way, I like the little ones. The little ones are 9.3 ounce size. And you can tell Nestle's has had different styles of container that way with different covers, and they've changed their containers a little bit over the years. So I guess I'm not fussy if they're new style or old style containers, but I don't know of anyone who would have old Nestle Quick things. Oh, I built this thing on January 11th of 2020, and it's a handy box when I do jobs. I can take them with me wherever I go and keep those Nestle Quick containers coming. Thank you.